Hello everyone, let us know choosing between new tax regime and old tax regime in this video. Overview. Lower tax rates. The new tax regime offers reduced income tax rates across various slabs aimed at providing taxpayers with the option to pay less tax. No deductions or exemptions. Unlike the old tax regime, the new system does not allow for common deductions or exemptions like HRA, LTA or investments. Optional choice. Taxpayers have the flexibility to choose between the old and new tax regimes. Simplified compliances. The new regime aims to simplify tax filing process by reducing the need for maintaining extensive documentation required for various deductions and exemptions. Promotes consumption. By lowering tax rates and increasing take-home pay, the government aims to encourage higher consumer spending, which can stimulate economic growth. Let us know tax slabs. Old tax regime tax slabs. For the individual below 60 years up to 2.5 lakhs exempted. For the senior citizens 60 to 80 years up to 3 lakhs exempted. For the super citizens above 80 years up to 5 lakhs exempted, and additional rebate will be 12,500 is applicable for resident individuals if the total income does not exceed rupees 5 lakhs. In new tax regime, up to 3 lakhs is exempted and additional rebate will be 25,000 if the total income does not exceed rupees 7 lakhs, and this is not applicable for NRIs. New tax regime is effective from financial year 23-24. The default tax regime has been switched to the new tax regime. If you wish to file your return under the old tax regime, taking advantage of all the deductions, exemptions and losses, you must submit it within the deadline. After the due date, you must file under the new regime, leaving the losses. This slide will show you available exemptions or deductions between old tax regime and new tax regime. Exemptions and deductions available under new regime. Standard deduction up to 50,000 for salaried individuals and pensioners is exempted. Transport allowance in case of specially abled persons is exempted. Income from agriculture exempted up to 5,000. Voluntary retirement up to 5 lakhs exempted. Gratuity up to 20 lakhs exempted. Interest on home loans on let-out property is exempted. Gifts up to 50,000 is exempted. Employers' contribution to NPS up to 10% of the salary is exempted. Employers' contribution to EPF up to 7.5 lakhs is exempted. Leave encashment exempted up to 3 lakhs for non-government employees. Let us know advantages and disadvantages of opting for new and old tax regime. Old tax regime. Advantage: more deductions and exemptions. You can claim various deductions and exemptions which can significantly reduce your taxable income if you have the right investments and expenses. Disadvantage: complex and time consuming. Understanding the claiming all the available deductions and exemptions can be complicated and require thorough documentation and planning. New tax regime. Advantage: simpler and easier. The process is more straightforward with fewer deductions and exemptions, making it easier to file your taxes without much hassle. Disadvantage: fewer tax benefits. You have to give up most deductions and exemptions, which might result in a higher tax liability if you have significant investments and eligible expenses. If you still have any doubts, you can contact us at www.poweroffactorial.in or can call us at 81050 21287. Also follow us in social medias.